got over 8 million views on this video, and so lots of people are asking in the comments how cool. I want to make one myself. So here we go. All right, so this is basically what you'll end up with. So first, you can just get any bucket. I got some really heavy duty string. I wrapped it 3 times around the bucket. Before I secured the knot, I made sure I slipped the carabiner in because that's what the chain is going to be attached to. Did some super fancy knot that I looked up on YouTube, and I attached my chain, and at the end of the chain, 1 more carabiner, and that, folks, is going to get you pommel circling. Now, I don't have a long chain, so I use my rings. First of all, I will put a pad over my ring so it won't dent the ring. And the only problem with this is as I spin, this gets caught up, so I then have to unravel it. So I can't do lots and lots of circles, but it's good enough for practice. All right, it'd be really nice if we could all afford a mushroom, but I don't have one in my garage, so I practice like this. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with my hands here, and I'm gonna walk a quarter around, keeping my arm really close to my side and my weight distributed over the center of my mass. When I get to this position, I want hips high. This is gonna be key when I go to my buckets circle, and then I'm gonna come around. So quarter, half, quarter, and around. All right, so we have attached it to the rings, and I recommend definitely starting on the ground before we use the parallels. I'm gonna position myself where I'm kind of under the middle of where it would hang, and I'm going to get into this hollow position. I'm going to swing and hips up high, and you'll see if I keep my hips high, the momentum keeps it going. The second I hit into that pike position, I'm done. All right, shoes came off, they were getting caught. I wasn't definitely socks, it's easier. I added the parallettes, and I raised this, so the bottom of the bucket is pretty much at the height of the parallette. Here's a closer look at me training in real time and how I use the bucket. It takes a lot of practice, but it's a lot of fun. Focus, made your day, and good luck doing some pommel circles with your new bucket.